Over brethren this.
Wagwan.
So I go ReGGie.
Yeah, there.
So where I go here now?
Up a seat in the car, not even $1. Me go look what go on up there.
So when you say you broke already, style?
Not even $1.
No, man,
And
no,
to
man.
the Benjamin today, nothing go on.
Are you broke already? So the
Not even $1, you know, hear me I tell you. I look, never look where the man play 1 o'clock.
So if you win a war, you buy me a
Me
juice?
no win, me no buy nothing, cause me never depend nothing. Never look now.
My John was style. I'm serious, say you a collect now. Eh?
When play 1 o'clock.
20 ReGGie, you win?
Yeah, and
At 20.
then the 21 I wouldn't buy. I wouldn't buy 20.
Why you only buy 20? So why everything good?
Damn.
Boss want to send in something more for me, you know.
Yeah, when am I coming?
No, no, if you like what they come,
You
no.
say not coming.
No, me never say me come.
I'm not coming.
Me know say him not coming, so I go on. The great ReGGie that, you know.
Yeah.
Say no depend nothing. Oh, my brethren starving.
Me can sell $101 back.
Like I said, a one backer,
And buy $110 number.
$110 number. Is that $10 you get for that?
50.
$15 so you gotta do the 5.
The 5.
No, nah. My brethren like I said, one backer. Johnny Star.
How much I paid to run at the shop? You know what?
Check your socks. That's how
How
much.
much I paid to? You heard that?
Ask it. No.
One time me moon say what about money?
I see you for
Moon
ask.
just that way you are.
I see you for ask, yeah, dear. Ask she.
How much you paid to me?
120.
When they go get 120 now, I'm well want a Pepsi.
I don't know where I get 120.
Buy this from me. Here and now, and me know when I have the money, she can't buy one bucker. She run me, and she done to say me not have no money. She still a run me.
You can't help out my brethren with the one backer. No money, you know.
That you would tell her. What that Ross? Boy, you're not Jackson. You don't know when rain fall. You don't know when sun shine from when rain fall. You're not Jackson. You don't go wear that. I show Jah the sign of who he is, and you don't know who he means. Here and now. Him mouth dirty, that's why Jah go curse him. Him can't go on the throne and go sit down. Jah run him out that high.
See money there. The Lord, yeah.
Thanks, yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
So yeah, go along now, ReGGie.
No, man, go in and so come
I'm
on.
ready.
Put on a Pepsi.
No, I don't have no money.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Ah.